A formal group of concerned Zimbabwean citizens has made a formal appeal to the Zimbabwean Defense Forces, urging them to intervene in what they describe as national crisis, marked by presidential incapacity, widespread corruption, and captured state institutions. The letter, dated 20 May 2025, outlines serious allegations against President Emerson Mnangagwa and calls for his immediate retirement in the interests of restoring constitutional order and protecting national integrity. Sana bena mashoko mudapangwa inezvinzi retire Mnangagwa now. My citizens, all the military who subscribe all I was on the bell icon. We the citizens of Zimbabwe have sent Blessed Geza to speak on our behalf, highlighting the urgent need for your intervention in addressing the rampant state capture and the corruption perpetrated by President Emerson Mnangagwa and his associates. Despite overwhelming evidence, there has been a glaring lack of investigation or accountability, suggesting a culture of impunity. Our Constitution, specifically Section 212, empowers the Army to restore order, protect territorial integrity, peace, the rule of law, and the democratic institutions. We bring your attention the following pressing concerns. Number 1, the President's alleged involvement in corrupt activities, bleeding state resources for personal gain, the failure to address bread and butter issues such as basic services, which has led to widespread suffering. Number 3, allegations of Presidency deteriorating health, specifically vascular dementia, which may incapacitate him from performing his duties. Number 4, attempts to extend the presidency term of office to 2030 and create a political dynasty. Number 5, captured democratic institutions such as ZVAITWA, judiciary services, human rights commissions, and others. We have faith in the Zimbabwe National Army's commitment to upholding the Constitution and defending our nation's interest. We urge you to take swift and decisive action to address these critical issues. Please note, this is just a cover note. Detailed report is attached. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Tomashoko anonyongwa nema citizens panguva ino vachikonvinza military kuti ipindire pautongi hwemutungamiri wenyika. Panguva ino vachiti toda kuti muretire mutungamiri wenyika, noda kuti panguva ino vazvikonewa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, channel on the bell icon.